Hello, my name is Jillian Barrett, and I did my Pecha Kucha project on the health benefits of running. Running has many health benefits. Studies have shown that running can help prevent obesity, diabetes, and stroke. Running improves the quality of your emotional and mental life. Running makes you happy. When you start running, it doesn't matter how good you feel. After a few minutes, you will be happy. You get a runner's high, which is a rush of feel-good hormones. Studies have shown that it can instantly lift the mood of someone who has depression. Running helps keep your brain sharp. Running helps to defeat mental decline, selective attention, and working memory. In stroke patients, running improves memory, language, thinking, and judgment problems. Studies have shown that running can help with attention, concentration, planning, and organizing. Running reduces your risk of cancer. While running can't cure cancer, it can help to prevent it. If you already have cancer, you can start a running program with your doctor's approval, which can improve your quality of life while undergoing chemotherapy. Running adds years to your life, even if it's just for 30 minutes a day, 5 times a week. Smokers can add 4 years to their life. Cancer survivors can add 5 years to their life, and those with heart disease can add 4 years. Running improves your learning abilities. Doing high-intensity running like sprints or low-impact running can improve your capacity to learn and retain new information. Doing high-intensity running will boost the brain's cognitive and learning functions. Running protects the brain from aging. Running is a buffer against the effects of aging on the brain. A study was done to see whether physical exercise or brain games were better for the aging brain, and found that people who ran had less brain shrinkage. Running alleviates anxiety. Running can reduce anxiety symptoms and helps you to relax. Running works well as medication to relieve anxiety, and especially people with anxiety and depression disorders. Running can help you sleep better. In people with insomnia and obstructive sleep apnea, running helps them to sleep better. They had increased daytime alertness, quicker onset of sleep, and they had deeper sleep. Running boosts self-esteem. In people who ran at a fast pace and higher levels of self-esteem. Kids who are overweight, who participated in running activities, had an increase in their overall self-esteem levels. Running decreases cravings for unhealthy foods. After 1 hour of fast running, people are more likely to go for healthy dietary choices instead of unhealthy ones. Running decreases cravings for drugs and substances. Running decreases cravings for heavy marijuana users. After a few sessions of running on a treadmill, heavy marijuana, cocaine, meth, nicotine, or alcohol users experience a decrease in cravings and daily use. Older runners keep their balance better than people who don't run, which protects their knees and tendons in the process. Make sure that while you're running, you don't overdo it. Too much exercise can lead to stress injuries and bone loss. Running can be a lot of fun. Running in a fun run is a casual event that increases the enjoyment and camaraderie of running above competition. There are different types of runs that you can enter, such as a color run, Spartan race, mud run, or Disney character run. You can also run in a 5K, 10K, half marathon, or triathlon. The color run is where participants start out in a white t-shirt, white shorts, and socks and finish in spattering, bright, dazzling color. Each kilometer of the race, runners are blitzed by volunteers with different colors. The Spartan race is where there's a series of obstacles like fire, mud, barbed wire, and wall climbing, rope climbing, cargo net climbs, monkey bars, tractor pulls, and rope swings. This race is anywhere from 3 miles to a marathon. The mud run is where there's a series of obstacles like hill slides, hay climbs, tire run, wall climb, trench mud crawls, rope swings, cargo net climbs, log carries, and piggyback carries in the mud. It tests the endurance and mental toughness of beginner and expert runners. The Disney race is where you can jog alongside your favorite Disney character at Disneyland or Disney World. The distances of the race are a diaper dash, a short crawling race, a 5K, a 10K, or a marathon. Other races are 5K, which is a 3-mile race, a 10K, which is a 6.2-mile race, a half marathon is 13.1 miles, a marathon is 26.2 miles, a triathlon is where you swim for 400 meters, bike for 12 miles, and run for 3 miles. My experience in running has been very rewarding, and it's a good way to get exercise and lose weight. In high school, I competed in a 2-mile race and have been training for 5K races since I was 20. I really like running, and I hope to get others to enjoy running as much as I do. Thank you for watching.